love someone. Here we go. Starts with a grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the right. Touch. Heel, forward, touch, toe, side, touch. Awesome. To the left. Grapevine to the left. Touch, heel, toe. Good. Lock, step forward with a scuff, a lock, step forward with a scuff. So step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff. Rocking chair and a quarter jazz box turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. There is one tag, and it's after wall 10, and it is it's the jazz box turn, but it's slow. So on wall 10, which is usually your back wall, we're going to do a jazz box slow. So it's a cross, step, side, together, right? So counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for style, you can add snaps, which I like to do. So step, snap, step, snap, step, snap, step, snap. And how I remember this, my funny little tricks, is this is called Love Someone, and West Side Story is about love. So this reminds me of West Side Story. If it helps you, great. If not, don't worry about it. I'll see you on the dance floor. Bye-bye.